Hi guys, let's get to the video. I will use scissors, two squeegee blue and red, and a tiny knife. I disconnect the door of the cabinet. You do not have to do that, but it's easier for me. And make sure you clean your surface. And this is the contact paper I will be using. I'm using two. This is one of them. I measured and cut the pieces that I need. Take off the adhesive paper as you're moving along, little by little, and make sure you place it correctly on both sides. It's okay guys if you happen to cut more. If it's overlap on the ends, that's okay. You can use the knife to cut it. You will see how I did that later on. These are called squeegee. You can use either one, the blue or the red, to help it stick and to take off any bubbles. And also you can use your fingers, okay? Make sure you take your time to do this. This DIY, it's not for the bathroom. I do have an extra sink counter in the bedroom. So I choose this color because it will match the bedroom set that I have. You will see it at the end of the video. And now I'm making sure that the paper stick in this corner. My cabinet door has part that elevated, but if yours is just flat, then it will be easier. So really take time. If you have any elevated part in your cabinet, really take time with it. I am loving it already, guys. Now we are done with this cabinet door. I cut it and then stick the rest of the pieces in the back. And I'm going to do the same thing that I just did with the second cabinet door. For the rest of the cabinet, not the top, I did cut 2 medium pieces for the drawer of the cabinet, and I also cut 6 tiny long pieces for the rest of the corners, the top, middle, bottom, and the 2 sides, just as shows in the picture. I'm so sorry guys, I do not have a video of that. It's easy. You will just measure and cut, and it is okay if the ends are overlapped. For all of the extra papers, the ends, I'm gonna use the knife. The knife make it easy, guys. When I said easy, easy. Do you see how neat that is? Sorry guys for my mess, all will be fixed. And now I'm making holes for the screws. Okay, you just need to fill it and then put the pointer of the knife onto it. You see, this is how it looks like. It's halfway done. You can see all of the corners are done. Very nice. Now we're gonna do the top. I'm gonna use a different contact paper. It's the white and gray marble paper. We're gonna apply it the same way. I choose to start on top. I wanted to use less pieces, so I start on top. Take your time with this one. Everything that I use on this video will be listed with the link on the description box. I purchased one rolls of contact paper of each one of the marble gray and white contact paper to do the top, and one wood gray to do the bottom of the cabinet. Only 2 total. And I only spent less than $25, guys. Less than $25. Again, guys, as you're moving along, you will take off the adhesive paper in the back little by little so that you do not mess it up. And really take your time with it. And when you get to the corner of the sink, you see I cut extra paper. So make sure you cut extra paper. It has to overlap the sink. And then once you do, make sure you really stick the corner to the sink, and then you will use the little knife to clean it. I don't have it shown on this video, but I will show it on my next video when I do the bathroom. I will videotape everything. Okay, so when you do that, you're gonna use the little knife to clean it up. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, the same way I did the other side. And this is the finished look. I did cut piece paper to do the back and the front sides. It's very nice, guys. Guys, do you see how beautiful that is? How it matches the bedroom set? I love it, guys. This is my first time. It turns out better than I expected. My next video will be on how I decorate this room. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much.